Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Hyundai Santa Fe. If you guys have a Hyundai Santa Fe, you have engine light on and any of the codes such as code P0010 P0011 12 or 13, stay with us. We'll explain how to fix any of these four codes, guys. Most likely, okay, it's three things that can cause that, and we're going to explain what to look for and how you can probably even fix it without almost spending any money on it. You don't need to remove your engine, guys. Okay, we have it removed because we're going to make a whole bunch of videos, guys, to show you how to fix things on that car. So this should work on Hyundai Santa Fe generation 2013 all the way to year 2016, guys, with a 2.4 GDI engine. Now let me introduce you to the channel quick. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix practically anything, guys. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. This engine, okay, will be completely taken apart. Transmission will show you how to fix almost anything on it. Another thing, if you need to buy any parts or tools, guys, okay, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our supplies from. So this right here, okay, this is the engine. And before we start, let me tell you guys, if you have a Hyundai with a 2.4 GDI engine or other cars, check our main channel, Auto Repair, guys. We have helped more than 110 million people, guys. We have information that can save you thousands of dollars. So let's start on it now. So this specifically, guys, okay, right here is an engine out of a 2013 model. So we want to explain, okay, what the problem now is. Let's say you get any of these codes, what to look for. Now, before we start, I just want to share something quick with you. Many of you guys constantly ask me which computer we use for diagnostics, and we'll put the link in the description of the video below. This is our daily computer that we use most of the times, guys. It's amazing. It works almost on any car you can think of. Okay, you can check. It's a super cool thing. Hyundai is right here and it can pay itself off in one-time use. I'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can purchase it from. So now what you need to do if you have any of those codes from P0010 to P0013, remove your engine cover, guys. Grab and pull it. Hit the dutches with 4 bushings, okay, to the valve cover, as you can see right here. You need to locate the intake side of your car, which is the intake manifold. Here on the opposite side is the exhaust manifold. Now you guys have on the intake and the exhaust side, but the one we need is on the intake side, okay. You're going to actually, guys, have let me show you now that sensor, okay, that right here, solenoid. This is known as variable timing solenoid for the intake side, for the intake camshaft, or VVT solenoid. It adjusts the valves, guys, according to RPMs and all that stuff. So if you have any of these codes, most likely you guys have a malfunctioning variable timing solenoid. So what to look for? One thing, guys, make sure the wiring harness, okay, is not broken or eaten by rodents. We've seen that happen quite often, especially winter times. Okay, we've seen rodents chew on wires because they try to find a warm place to stay. And if you live in a rural area, a farmer or something like that, that could easily happen. If the wires are in good condition, inspect, okay, the connector itself. The connector, guys, okay, make sure it's plugged in and it's not contaminated with oil. If you have a leaking valve cover, guys, okay, or a failing solenoid, sometimes they can get oil in the connector and that can interfere with the signal and you can get these codes. If nothing of that fixes the problem, guys, okay, we have a video how to remove and replace one of those things, but often, guys, you don't even need to replace it. What you need to do, okay, the only thing that you will need to actually do, guys, to fix that problem is you will need to go ahead and clean it, to clean variable timing solenoid. So by cleaning it, you will be able to find out, okay, and testing it if it's working or not. We have a special video that explains how to clean variable timing solenoid, so please check it out, and how to test it. Also, we have a video about the symptoms of bad variable timing solenoid. If you clean it and it doesn't fix the codes, I'll recommend to replace it. If that doesn't fix the problems, guys, it's very possible that you have a bad actuator or a jump timing mechanical problem that can affect that. So first thing, start with the wiring harness, clean the solenoid, replace it if it doesn't take care of the problem, and then you have to go deeper in the engine, but you hope that's not the case, and 9 out of 10 times you just have to clean it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.